Introduce yourselves.
My name is Jaden, and today we're going to open the massive Gumball machine. And we're going to use the double Gumball. First of all, you open the side. Second of all, you pull it out.
Careful with your fingers, guys.
Pull it out. Move your fingers. Move your fingers. You get it from here. You pull it. You get it out. You take it out like that. And after you do this.
I think you need a little bit of adult help, isn't it?
No, I got it.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going to take that out. We don't have it. Now we need to do this side. We want to do that side. Now, no, be careful. Okay, that's what's supposed to happen when you take it out, because that really what happens. Now this is going to be the hard bit. Second of all, we're going to have this.
Let me see. Let me see. Jaden, let me see, Jaden.
Daddy, so got these Gumball machines.
That's what we will see.
You take it out there. So you put the inside there, and then you take this off, and you put inside there. And now we want to put the inside there after. Oh, we might use this because this helps us a lot.
You got a refill as well.
Yeah, we will.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And this is what really happens. You take the lid out and you put the really lid, you just hold it. And after getting the lid, you open
Ask
it.
for Daddy to help you.
Los dos.
Oh my God.
Okay, let Jaden put some on.
Jaden, come.
Half of it.
¿Por qué se por otro lado, papito?
Show everyone how you're going to do it.
Put all of it on that side.
Ya deja caminar un poquito.
And how much are the little balls, Cammy? Or you can put the refill more.
Yeah.
Put the refill. Because it's not a bag full.
Let me do it, Jaden, for you.
Oh, look, it's done. I need to open the sides.
Ari, come on, explain to them.
Wait, no, now.
To make all of it like do it. It's twisted, and there's no more, but there's you need to get some now. So after when you finish, you put these on. But it's the refill. You need that and the refill to make it. It shows you here. Now we don't really need it. Now we put the lid on. Now we're
Get
done.
around, Camila.
Now we have this. No.
That's it, no more.
See, guys?
Now tell them. Is it a good or is it a bad bubble? What's it called? Gumball machine.
Gumball machine. You can eat it, but you can't swallow it because it's not really good. So you don't.
You're going to give them an advice, yeah? Okay, what you going to tell them?
Then you're going to show a video. Subscribe and come up for my brother and me.
So, what happened? You want to tell them?
You're going to tell them about they don't have to?
I love you. And you don't swallow the chewing gum. And it's bad for your stomach. With steak.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Really.
yeah. So tell them they shouldn't do it.
Go in the bin.
So what do you do once you finish with the bubble gum?
You throw it. And guys, I want to show them kills. Here.
How was your birthday? Tell everyone how your birthday was the other day.
Good.
Because you haven't done videos in a long time.
Guys, can I just tell you something?
Okay, now you can say bye now, guys.
Can I just sticky.
Okay.
And second of all, with this, don't get too much because your belly will be hurting.
Okay. All right, say bye, guys. Come on, look. Look at the camera then.
Bye.
And what do they need to do?